Hey, did you see this new feature in Copilot, actually in OneDrive? Now, when you over file a Word document or a PDF, you can do things like the usual stuff summarize, but now there's create an audio overview. So if I click on it, it will take my file and try to analyze it and making a summary, an audio summary of the file. So this is, I think it's 40 something pages, so it's pretty dense. And so it's pretty quick to make a audio summary. So we'll wait a little bit. It's still a lot of data to ingest, so we'll see how much time it takes. And I just uploaded the document, so it might take more time if the document was just
Hello.
recently.
Today, I'll be guiding you through an audio summary of a fascinating exploration into the transformative potential of Microsoft 365 Copilot, an AI powered assistant designed to revolutionize workplace productivity. This summary is based on the document titled Empowering the Copilot Journey.
So you'll see after a while, I can see it's going to last a little bit over 3 minutes. I can navigate, change the pace of the audio. But what I can do also is this is a summary, an audio summary. But if I want to listen it as a podcast, if I want to listen to my book as a podcast, actually, I can say switch to podcast. Then it will generate a new audio, and we'll wait for to listen to it. So as you can see, it takes a few seconds. It's not even minutes. I don't think so. I think it takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and this is a pretty dense document because it's a book, not a huge book, but still it's going pretty
Hey
quickly.
everyone, welcome to today's overview. It's going to be a really insightful look into turning workplace challenges into opportunities using AI.
Hi there, glad you could join us. Today, we're diving right in, exploring how some modern solutions are reshaping our work routines.
Right, so we're basing our discussion on Empowering the Copilot Journey, a guide to AI augmented success by Pierre Delacote. The document lays out how AI can help busy professionals.
So you can see this one is a little bit longer because it's a conversation, it's a podcast. But I listened to it and it's doing a very good job, like with Notebook LM. So, but now it's integrated in your OneDrive and even in SharePoint because you can navigate your SharePoint within OneDrive. So you can do that. And also, what you can do is, oh, I like this audio, and so you can save it to OneDrive. So when you do that, it's going to take the audio and put it in the recording folder. You see recordings folder here in your OneDrive. So now I have also I was able to listen to the document, the podcast or a summary, and now I can save what either one in my OneDrive. If I want to come back for and come back to the recording folder. As you can see, we'll see the recording is here now, and if I click on it, I can listen to the recording directly in stream.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's overview. It's going to be a really insightful look into turning.
Addressing everything from disorganized dating tasks like drafting emails.
The only feedback I could share with Microsoft is the tone of the male voice is not very engaging. The tone of the woman voice is very engaging, but not the tone of the male voice. So it could be a little bit more excited, maybe a little bit more engaged, but that's pretty impressive. And I know that for example, I have one kid who would rather have an access to a podcast rather than read tons of documents. And I know that's what he's doing with Notebook LM, which is the Google version of this, and is instead of grabbing the lesson and reading it, he's putting the lesson into Notebook LM and listen to the podcast so he can do something else in the same time. I think it's a generation thing, but maybe other people are gonna like that. So especially when we're mobile, it's pretty powerful. I'm not sure if it's available on mobile yet, but since you can record it and save it, then you can listen it on your mobile for sure. Hope this was insightful.